Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you are here today. Today is a very practical day. We need to do chores. Do you know what a chore is? A chore is work you do around the house. Cleaning is a chore. Washing dishes is a chore. And grocery shopping is a chore. But today we will make it fun. We are standing outside the supermarket. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. Are you ready to learn English? Let's go inside. First, look at the entrance. The doors open automatically. Magic! Just kidding. It is a sensor. Stop. Look here. Before we shop, we need a cart. Repeat with me. Shopping cart. This cart is metal. It is big. If I buy a lot of food, I need a cart. If I only buy 2 or 3 things, I use a basket. A basket is plastic. You hold it in your hand. But today, my fridge is empty, completely empty, so I will take the big cart. Let's push the cart. Squeak, squeak. Sometimes the wheels are noisy. We are now in the first section. This is the produce section. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. This is my favorite part of the store. It smells like earth and rain. It is very fresh. Let's look at the fruit first. Look at this display. It is beautiful. Here are the apples. We have red apples. These are called Red Delicious. They are sweet. We have green apples. These are Granny Smith. They are sour. Do you like sour food? And we have pink apples. These are Gala apples. The price is $1.99 per pound. Per pound means we pay for the weight. I will take 4 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put them in a clear plastic bag. Next to the apples, we have bananas. Bananas are yellow. But look, these bananas are green. If they are green, they are unripe. They are not ready to eat. If they are brown, they are overripe. I want perfect yellow bananas. I need a bunch. A group of bananas is a bunch. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas in this bunch. Perfect for breakfast. Now let's turn around. Do you see the citrus fruits? Here are oranges. They are orange. Simple name, right? Here are lemons. Lemons are yellow. And here are limes. Limes are green. Don't confuse them. Lemons are yellow. Limes are green. Both are very sour. I use lemons for tea. I use limes for tacos. I will buy 2 lemons. Now step over here. Let's look at the vegetables. This is lettuce. It is a big green ball. It is called a head of lettuce. We use this for salads. It is crunchy and fresh. Next to the lettuce, we have tomatoes. Are they a fruit or a vegetable? Scientifically, a tomato is a fruit, but in cooking, we treat it as a vegetable. These tomatoes are red, round, and soft. Don't squeeze them too hard, they will break. I will buy 3 tomatoes for my sandwich. Here is a root vegetable, potatoes. Potatoes grow under the ground. They are brown and dirty. You have to wash them. We can fry them to make French fries. We can mash them. We can bake them. This is a heavy bag, 5 pounds of potatoes. Price, $4.99. That is cheap. And finally, onions. We have yellow onions and red onions. Do you cry when you cut onions? I do, every time. Here is a cucumber. It is long and green. Here is a pepper, a red bell pepper. Okay, the produce section is done. My cart has many healthy things now. Let's move on. Follow me. Follow your nose. Can you smell that? It smells like sugar and warm flour. We are in the bakery. To bake means to cook in the oven. This is where they make fresh bread every morning. Look at the shelves. So much bread. This is a loaf of bread. Is it sliced? Yes, it is sliced. That means it is cut into pieces. This is white bread. It is soft. This is whole wheat bread. It is brown. It is healthier. I will take the whole wheat loaf. Look at the glass case. I see muffins, blueberry muffins, chocolate muffins. I see donuts, glazed donuts with sugar. I see cookies, chocolate chip cookies. They look delicious. My mouth is watering. I should be healthy, but one treat is okay. I will buy a box of cookies. The price is $3.50. Into the cart. Now put on your jacket. It is getting cold. Brr. We are in the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk. Here are the big refrigerators with glass doors. First, milk. In America, we buy big jugs of milk. This is a gallon. It is 3.7 liters. Huge, right? I don't need a gallon. I will buy a half gallon. I check the date, the expiration date. It says best by Feb 20th. Today is Feb 2nd. It is fresh. Next to the milk is cheese. I love cheese. Do you like cheese? There's cheddar, orange. There's Swiss with holes. There's mozzarella, white. I want sliced cheese for sandwiches. I pick the cheddar. And here is butter, salted butter for toast, and yogurt. Strawberry yogurt is my favorite. And finally, eggs. This is a carton. Inside there are 12 eggs. We call this a dozen. Always open the box. Check the eggs. Are they cracked? No? Okay, they are safe. Now, let's go to the middle of the store, the aisles. We are in aisle 4. The sign above says pasta, rice, sauces. This is dry food. It goes in your pantry, not the fridge. I need pasta. There are so many shapes. Spaghetti, long strings, penne, tubes, bow ties. I will buy spaghetti and sauce, tomato sauce in a glass jar. Be careful, glass breaks. Next, rice. White rice or brown rice? I will buy white rice. It is easy to cook. And beans. A can of black beans. Let's go to aisle 5. Breakfast and cereal. Wow, look at all the colors. Cereal boxes are very bright to attract children. There's sugary cereal and healthy cereal. I like oatmeal. Here is a container of oats. It is very cheap and good for your heart. I also need coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee. This bag is ground coffee. It smells strong and bitter. I love it. Aisle 9 is the snack aisle. This is a dangerous place. Here are chips, potato chips, corn chips. They are salty. Crunch, crunch. Here is chocolate, dark chocolate bars. Here are nuts, peanuts, and almonds. I will buy a bag of almonds. They are a healthy snack. And I need water. Sparkling water. Sparkling means water with bubbles, fizz. Still water has no bubbles. I take a bottle of sparkling water. We are at the back wall of the store now. This is the meat department, the butcher. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you can skip this part, but I eat meat sometimes. Look at the coolers. They are open but very cold. Here is chicken. We have chicken breasts, white meat. We have chicken thighs, dark meat. Chicken is lean. That means it does not have much fat. I will buy a package of chicken breasts for dinner. The price is $8. Here is beef, red meat. This is ground beef. It is chopped up. We use it for hamburgers or pasta sauce. And here are steaks. Steaks are expensive. Look at this one, $25. Too expensive for me today. I will just get the ground beef. There is also pork, pig meat, and sausages. And over there is the seafood counter. Fresh fish, salmon, pink, and tuna, red. I am not buying fish today. Okay, food shopping is done, but I need things for my house. Let's go to the household aisle. This is where we find cleaning supplies. I need toilet paper. This is a very big package, 12 rolls. It takes up a lot of space in the cart. I need soap. Dish soap is for washing plates. I like lemon scent. It smells fresh. Hand soap is for the bathroom. I like lavender scent. And toothpaste to brush my teeth. I also need a new sponge to scrub the dishes. Okay, let me check my list. Apples, yes. Bread, yes. Milk, yes. Soap, yes. I think we have everything. My cart is full and heavy. Now we are finished shopping, but we cannot leave yet. We must pay. We need to find a checkout lane. Look, there are many people today. It is busy. We have to wait in line. This is a queue or a line. While we wait, look at the shelves here. Candy, gum, magazines. These are impulse buys. They want you to buy them while you wait. I will not buy candy. I will be strong. Okay, the line is moving. Now it is my turn. This is the cashier, the person who works here. Hello, how are you? I smile and say, I am good, thank you. I have to take my food out of the cart. I put the food on the conveyor belt. The belt moves, whir. It moves the food to the cashier. The cashier scans the items, beep, beep, beep. That is the sound of money. Cashier, do you have a loyalty card? Me, no, I do not. Cashier, do you have coupons? Me, no coupons today. Cashier, paper or plastic bags? Me, I have my own bags. I brought reusable bags. They are better for the planet. I help the cashier pack the bags. Heavy items, potatoes, milk, go on the bottom. Light items, like bread and eggs, go on the top. Never put milk on top of bread. You will squash it. Now the payment. Cashier, your total is $85.50. Me, okay. I look at the screen, $85.50. I take out my wallet. I can pay with cash, dollar bills and coins, or I can pay with a credit card or debit card. I will use my card. I insert the chip into the machine. I wait. Processing. Approved. Green light. The machine prints a paper. This is the receipt. It shows everything I bought. Cashier, here is your receipt. Have a nice day. Me, thank you. You too. We are back home. That was a successful trip. We carried the heavy bags inside. Now let's unpack. I like to see everything on the kitchen table. Look at all this food. Let's review what we bought. This is good vocabulary practice. First, produce. We have red apples, yellow bananas, lemons. We have lettuce, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, healthy and colorful. Second, bakery and grains. We have whole wheat bread. We have spaghetti and white rice. We have oatmeal and chocolate chip cookies. Shh, don't tell anyone. Third, dairy and protein. We have milk, half a gallon. We have cheese, cheddar. We have butter and yogurt. We have eggs, a dozen. We have chicken breasts and ground beef. Fourth, household, toilet paper, soap, and toothpaste. Let's look at the receipt one last time. The total was $85.50. Do you think this is expensive or is it cheap? In the United States, food prices are going up. In your country, how much is a gallon of milk? How much are a dozen eggs? Please tell me in the comments below. I want to know about your country. Thank you so much for coming shopping with me. I hope you learned new words today. Remember, cart, produce, aisle, cashier, receipt. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more slow English lessons. Practice your English every day. See you next time. Bye.